Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Diablo 2 Resurrected Infernal Edition game crashing, crashes startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen or stuck on infinite loading screen, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So let's jump to the fixes. First fix is to restart your PS5, press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to log out and log in. Log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others, sign out. Now wait for a few minutes and then log in back. And then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to switch internet connection. So first of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, you can also try to connect to other Wi-Fi network and then check. You can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. Then try to relaunch the game and check which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5 console. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. And now press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Then connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch Diablo 2 Resurrected Infernal Edition and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license, select Diablo 2 Resurrected Infernal Edition game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check problem solved or not. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8 is to delete game data and cache. So please take a note. You must back up the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Go to settings, save data, game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Now select Diablo 2 Resurrected Infernal Edition game and then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then try again and check. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change the DNS settings from automatic to manual. In primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK. Now relaunch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK. Now try to relaunch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 10 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. If you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer Diablo 2 Resurrected Infernal Edition game to SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Diablo 2 Resurrected Infernal Edition game crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.